Hi, Bill the Flavor Guy here again. We're once again up at Kennedy Meadows. It's time to make some great tasting Podiarco and black tea. So first thing we're gonna do, gonna open up, this is by the way, an Assam black tea. It's from an estate in India. You can find it at selecttea.com. And we're gonna put in about 6 of these tea bags. Another neat fact about Select Tea, we don't use staples. Our tea bags are oxygen bleached, so there's no chemicals even in the tea bag. So we're gonna drop 6 of these inside. So sun tea is just what it sounds like. For most people, you know about it. You just take tea bags, put them in a glass jug, not plastic because this is gonna get hot, and it sits out in the sun and steeps naturally. And as it gets dark, it warms up, and that helps to take out, you know, the good stuff out of the tea. And for the Podiarco, we're just gonna use a little reusable tea bag that we're gonna put some Podiarco into, and then we'll stuff that in there. And when we go to chill this tonight, we'll pull that out and discard the contents and reuse that bag over and over again. So I think that's about 6. You know what, I think I'm gonna add 1 more just because this is about a gallon. So I let my sun tea sit out for about 4 or 5 hours, or in this case it's midday, so until the sun goes down. It's gonna start turning dark pretty quick. But like I said, as it warms up, then that process of steeping or extracting, this is a traditional water extraction. And on the Podiarco, put in like 3 or 4 good handfuls of the Podiarco. It doesn't give a lot of color, but it gives a lot of these really positive natural chemicals that are good for your health, they're good for your gut. Doesn't have a real strong flavor, so that's also good. It doesn't come across as medicinal or anything like that or weird, but the benefits are amazing. Then I'm gonna slice a couple of pieces of mandarin into it. Probably do a whole mandarin. That gives it that nice kind of tangerine orange flavor. And you can leave those in there when you're done steeping. You don't have to take them out, especially if you're gonna drink it right away. Certainly refrigerate it and drink it within a couple of days at most, because there's sugar inside these tangerine or mandarin slices, and just enough of it that this tea won't last long, even in the refrigerator. All right, so now we're gonna go get some distilled water. As I've talked about in the past, I prefer distilled water, but you can use spring water as well. Works great. Just don't use tap water. Chlorine will definitely mess up the flavor. Okay, let's take this outside, set it in the sun. In a few hours, we're gonna have some great tasting Podiarco black tea with some mandarin flavor. It's not a bad idea to kind of give it a couple of turns just to kind of get some of the air out of the bag. You know, it just kind of hastens the process, if you will. All right, let's go stick it in the sun. Okay, so I'm gonna taste it. Yeah, that's good. So if you're at home and you're feeling like experimenting a little, this is an easy project you can do. To do saw, it takes just a few minutes to put it all together. And you got a great tasting tea for a fraction of the cost. And it tastes better because you made it with natural ingredients, you know what went in it, and it's fresh. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and let me know about some teas that you'd like me to make and or experiment with. This is the Flavor Guy saying have a great weekend.